YouTube, what's up, y'all? Trader FX back with another video. Good morning, good evening, whichever one applies to you. Shout out to all those who recently subscribed to my channel. For all those who have been subscribed to my channel, shout out to y'all, man. Y'all the real ones, y'all the OGs of this. And yeah, man, thanks for a lot of views coming in, a lot of likes, a lot of shares, a lot of reposts on Twitter. I appreciate it. So guys, I know I haven't posted in the last few days only because I wanted to vote make its move. You know what I'm saying? To give us that data that I told you before in the previous video. And if you're new and you haven't watched that, go back, watch my last video so you can catch up to where we're at today, right? And I got tons of content down below that you might want to check out on this project, because let me tell you something, I do believe that this project right here is going to make multi-millionaires. So go back, do your research. Always do your own research. Never take someone's advice, right? And speaking of that, this is not financial advice, strictly for educational purposes only, okay? But, you know, I wanted to let vote play out, make its move, give me more data, right? Print more candlesticks so I can give a proper technical analysis, right? So that's where we're at today. And that's why this video is happening. So before I get to the technical analysis with Vote, Ethereum, and Bitcoin, which I do all three guys now, I do want to say that if you are new or you have been returning to watch my videos, man, hit that subscribe button. It's free. It don't cost you nothing, man. So just support the boy. Hit that subscribe button. Smash that like button. Okay? Set your notifications on all so you are aware every time I post a new video, man. You know, you don't want to miss out on that, for sure. All right, because I'm pretty dope at my technical analysis. I'm not always accurate, right? But I'm like I feel like I'm a 95%, 90%. You know what I'm saying? I ain't trying to boost my ego, man, but yeah, guys. So listen, I just wanted to say that, guys, if you're not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. Obviously, if you fuck with my videos, if you know what I'm saying, if you like it, this and that. But you know what, man? Without further ado, let's get to the
yeah. I got me some vote. 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 You should get you some vote. Fill up your bags. Back up the...
All right, y'all. So we got vote sitting at 602,705. All right, I'm gonna blow this up. Okay. So, guys, like I was saying in my previous videos, and you can go back. Okay. I actually had this line over here at 3,004. Okay. We needed, in my previous video, I said that we needed to close above this line, which it kept rejecting 3,004, right? 3,000. It's not going to be accurate to the T, okay? But we needed to close above here to kind of give us confirmation that price was going to continue pushing upwards to 34.45. Instead, if you notice, price keeps on closing at this level here. Price will keep on closing at 29.95, which is where I have it now, right? 29.55, sorry, 29.55. Price tried for 1, 2, 3, 4 days to come up, could not do it. It attempted, retested this consolidation area. Price rejected, closed below 29.55, and then gave us this bearish candle, which is a huge indication that price was going to continue pushing down. Okay, there was a lot of sellers in the market at this point. Okay, now I did give multiple scenarios of what could happen. Worst case, best case. Okay, we'll start off with the worst case. Worst case is this one. Okay, creating a head and shoulder pattern. Okay, which is pretty much, so if I take this one out, I'm just going to start another one. Pretty much left shoulder, okay, head, right shoulder, down, okay. That is an indication. That is a candlestick pattern, and they're not always going to be to the T, but it is a candlestick pattern that tells us that price is going to continue pushing down, right? This now, if it would have been reversed, okay, which I think I can do this here. Let me see. No, it won't let me unless I go right here. I think actually, yeah. So had it been like this, then that would have been a bullish indication, right? Because this is reverse now. So you see how had it been this way, if we were coming from, like, let's say we were already pushing down, okay, we were pushing down. I'm here pointing at the screen like y'all can see. Let's say we were bearish, this happened, then boom, we get this, and then now we start pushing up, okay? So if you guys get what I'm saying, instead it happened this way, okay? And you can look it up, guys. If you can look up candlestick patterns, and you can look up head and shoulders and inverse head and shoulders. The bullish one would have been inverse head and shoulders. This is the regular head and shoulders, which is indication that price is going to continue pushing down, okay? Another scenario that I was giving you guys was that I thought I seen that there was a possible double bottom, right? Which is this. And if we had to close above this line up here, okay, we needed to close above this line right here to give us indication that that the buying pressure was there and that price was going to continue pushing up to 34.45. But we didn't get that, right? But I also said when we were, I believe, right around this zone, we were right around here, okay, when I said I do believe we have to come and correct this move right here. You can go back every video that I've done, and I keep saying it is possible that price comes back and corrects this move. It might not do it right away. Eventually, it will come back to do it though, and that is what is happening, guys. Right? So I also said that if price couldn't close above here, and it came down to 28.05. Depending how it reacted here, right? If it gave us a bullish candle at this zone and then continue climbing back up, then more than likely we was gonna continue pushing up. But it didn't. It broke through 28.05, 2800, round psychological number, right? The market likes round psychological numbers. Okay. What happened? Price closed below this level, and now price is continuing to push down. Okay. Correcting this move. So guys, this is not financial advice. Like I said, this video is strictly for educational purposes only. You can go ahead, Jess. And not so I don't know, maybe it could come down. I'm not sure how far it's gonna come down, but vote is definitely coming down, guys. And I don't say that to say it in a negative way. I say it to I like I said, guys, I keep it a buck with y'all. I give y'all the raw, right? Good or bad, okay? Whether price is bullish, whether price is bearish. This is just reality. This is what crypto is, okay? We're not in a bull run right now. Yes, crypto is doing really good, but you also got to remember that moves got to get corrected, okay? When you have a bullish move that happens for days. Now, this is a daily time frame, right? This happened 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, right? 9 days, damn near almost 9 days, 8 days straight. If you don't want to count this red one, right? Price was bullish. Eventually, it's gonna come back down to correct this move here, okay? And that's what it's doing. So if we go to the weekly time frame, this had to been corrected. Now, how far can this go? It could come down to 21.45, right, where support was held strongly. That is a possibility. You got to keep that in mind. But like I said, bro, I'm a big believer in dollar cost averaging. As price comes back down, this could be forming. Another thing it could be forming is a double bottom, which is an amazing pattern, especially on the weekly time frame. If price were to come back down to this level, guys, do not be scared. Okay, do not sell. Why would you want to sell? Okay, add to your bag. Not financial advice. Gotta say that. Risk only. Invest only what you're willing to lose. Don't invest your rent money, your car note money, your insurance money, your kids money, your food money. Don't do that. Okay, because you never know scenarios like this. And I've said this multiple times. Whenever you have a big move, a big bullish candle, more than likely there's going to be a pullback that comes right after that and some consolidation. Okay, after like these moves here, what happened? Price consolidated for weeks before a move actually happened again. Okay, it could not break 34.45. Now, that doesn't mean that vote is fucked and that vote is over with. No. Okay, so if I bring out the fib retracement, okay, I bring it from the low to the high, right? Price can, it could come tap. If it's creating a higher low, a higher low, it could even reach 78%, right? Which means it could bounce off this line. If it starts rejecting at this level here, okay, then that's a good sign. But what we would really want is for price, see how all these rejections are right at this zone right here, 61%? So if price can respect this zone and reject all 61.8%, then we're looking at coming up like this. Okay, creating that higher low. What did I show you guys? I always teach this in every video. Market structure, okay? This would be considered an uptrend on the higher time frame, right? Eventually, man, you're gonna have pullbacks. Price can't always go up forever, okay? So don't be discouraged, guys. All right, that's why I'm doing these videos, to keep you guys posted, to keep you guys updated. Another indication on the higher time frame, which is why I like looking at the daily, the weekly, and the monthly, because they will tell you a better story of what's going on, right? Price closed below this bullish candle right here. See how this red candle here closed below? That was indication that the selling pressure was there and that it was rejecting and it was moving down. Okay, it did a little wick, but it reversed. Once it broke this low, it was a wrap. And definitely once it broke this low, it was coming down. How far is it gonna come down? Who knows? But if it does come down, guys, to this level here, and it respects this level, which I can't be 100%, right? But I'm almost sure it's not gonna break this level. It respected it for weeks on end, man. Okay, so we could be looking at possibly a double bottom, right? Which would be like I said, something like this. Okay, a W. Okay, same way if it was reversed, right? A reverse one would be like this, a double top, which indicates that price is gonna come down. Okay, so you can look at it however way you want. I'm giving it to you guys. You guys take it how you want to take it. But this is the technical analysis. Now, Volt also moves with Ethereum. So what Ethereum does, most of the time, it follows suit. Most cryptos follow suit, right? Because they're wrapped. Ethereum is wrapped. Volt is wrapped with Ethereum. Volt is also wrapped with Solana and is wrapped with BNB. Okay, not Solana. I'm sorry, guys. Matic. Okay. Volt is wrapped with Matic. Okay, so that is that for Volt. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and go over to the Ethereum chart real quick. Okay, remember, guys, in my last video I had this line up here to show you that price keeps bouncing off this red line right here. And what has it been doing? Doing just that, right? So I haven't posted for 5 days, right? So actually this is the weekly time frame. Okay, here we go. And I added another line right here to show that price has been respected here as well. Not only that, the EMA, the 50-day EMA, is also price is still trading above that 50-day EMA, right? So as you can see, so I haven't posted in what, 5 days. So this is the new candle right here. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, price was right around here when I last posted. Okay, price has been bouncing off from here to here, bouncing off 1918 and 2131. Now price looks like it's going to retest 2131 again. Now, is it possible that it's gonna break through? I think so, guys. If we have a close above 2131, okay, a nice bullish candle like this, and we close above right here, and we don't have any more rejections like we're having right here, I believe if we have another rejection, okay, that's it. I believe price is coming back down to correct this move right here. But if we have a close, and this is the weekly time frame, right? But if we have a close above 2131, boy, Ethereum is going up, okay? And it could hit 3 grand, all right? Possibly, it'll probably bounce off these rejections here first. So let me line that up at 2,500, right? So price could reject around 2,500, come back to retest where it broke out of, and then if support holds, then price can continue pushing upwards, right, to 3,000. I firmly believe it can get there because that's where we have more rejections at, okay? That's just my personal opinion, my personal technical analysis. But not only that, I'm just looking at what price is doing. And the last weekly candle closed bullish, okay? Closed above this bearish candle. And now we have a wick, and there's 2 days left in the week. 2 days and 22 hours. So I guess you could say 23. You say 3 days, right? Price already created a wick. All right. There's 7 days in a week, right? 7 days, right? So for the first 5 days, first 4 days, 5 days, however you want to look at it, it came down, created a wick, respecting this line that I have right here. So there's a possible pump coming for Ethereum, and if Ethereum does break that level, then we could possibly see Volt moving in a upwards direction. Could we? That's a good question, right? So we gotta wait for more candles to be printed. We're gonna come back in the next 2 days and look at the weekly candle and see what it did, right? But I'm also gonna keep up with it on the daily. Okay, we need this daily candle to close above here. If this candle rejects, then more than likely it's gonna, like I said, it's gonna probably do this. This is called an ascending triangle. Ascending triangle. Okay, so we need that pressure to pop out. So if it does reject right here, more than likely it's gonna come back down, hopefully respect this, and then continue upwards. But guys, be prepared, because if it breaks 1918, then you know that we're coming down to 1,744, because that's where previous support was held. That's where price broke and closed above at. Okay, so let's look at Bitcoin. All right, Bitcoin, same thing, guys. Look at that. All right, I have 2 lines right here. Why? Because I did say that we needed to close above 37,900, so I guess you can say around 38,000, right? What is price trying to do right now? Bitcoin keeps coming above this, and then I got this line right here, which I'm gonna go ahead and make this yellow. Okay, so we technically need a break. Move this here now to update it. So we technically need a break 38,459. Okay, 38,459. A nice close above this level, though, would be amazing, showing that price has buying pressure. Guys, it's looking good to me, but I could be wrong. You never know what could happen. Price can obviously reject over here at this level of resistance, which it has done for days now, right? And then come back down and continue doing, continue consolidating until eventually it either goes up or it comes down. One or the other is gonna happen, right? So pretty much what Bitcoin does, Ethereum does, Bitcoin does, and most cryptos follow suit to where Bitcoin and Ethereum are at. All right, y'all. So guys, I know this video is getting kind of long. So real quick, we're just gonna look at the coin market cap. We're sitting at 1.43 trillion for the day, with a 0.87% increase for the day. 38,000 for Bitcoin, $2,090, almost 2,100 for Ethereum. I'm gonna go to my watch list and see what's Volt's doing for the volume. Look at that. Volt's sitting at $5.2 million in the last 24-hour volume, up 624%. Guys, come on now. Smash that like button, bro. Smash that like button for me. All right. Volt is doing big things, guys. Don't be scared on the pullbacks. Like I said, dollar cost average. Okay, this is just part of the game, man. It's just part of the crypto. It's just part of investing. If you don't have the stomach for it, if you don't have the money for it, don't invest. You know what I'm saying? But this is why I'm giving you guys these technical analysis. Also, if you're new to Volt, please check out Volt Enu's official Twitter page. Okay, tons of information on here. Check it out yourself. Like I said, do your own research. If you're looking to invest in Volt, I am not a sponsor. I'm not sponsored by Volt. I'm not paid to talk about Volt. This is just something that I'm invested in and that I believe in. Okay, I believe it could change a lot of people's future. I believe a lot of millionaires are gonna come out of this project in the next bull run. Which I believe is coming in 2024, y'all. We're very close. The year's almost over. 2024 is right around the corner. Okay, so we could definitely see this crypto market turn right around, and we're already seeing it. It's slowly but surely building up. So guys, take it how you want to take it. All right, I gave you my point of view, my technical analysis. Go back to my old videos. You guys can tell me if I'm wrong or I'm right? But I believe I've been right. Damn near, right? So, all right, y'all. I will update you guys as soon as I see more data worth updating on. Okay, it is Friday tomorrow. Like I said, on the weekends, volume dies down. Not much really happens, right? So, with that said, y'all, make sure y'all subscribe if y'all like this video. If you're new, if you're a returning viewer, a lot of y'all are, man. So just tap that subscribe button. It's free. Hit that like button. Show some love. I appreciate it, y'all. Till next time. Peace.